The girth of this is just too big. You know, I think I had a bigger piece of dough maybe.
What are we talking about right now?
Dough.
Dough. Okay.
Dough, the dough.
One of our family traditions is that my grandmother, and now Kristen, makes Easter bread.
Honestly, I do this with the kids every Easter, and they love doing it. It's not hard at all.
Okay, so let's go.
Okay, let's do this.
Do you want us to help, or are you just gonna make it?
Yeah, you can help.
I don't really know what to do.
First thing we are going to do is put all the dry ingredients in the mixer. So we're starting with 6 cups of flour. We might need to add more as we go along. 2 teaspoons of salt. Mix that together. Since this is instant yeast, we do not need to hydrate the yeast. 2 packets. We are just going to put this in with the dry ingredients and just mix that in. So now we have a cup of warm milk, and we're going to dissolve 1 cup of sugar in the milk. Now we're just going to mix all the wet ingredients into the dry. So I'm letting this do all the work. Yep, it's coming together. Smell that? I'm just gonna add a touch more flour. So when it completely pulls away from the sides and it's not sticking, then you know that it'll be easy to work with. So we don't need to add any more flour.
Oh yeah, it smells good.
We're just gonna let this sit for 10 minutes. We are going to shape the dough. Try and divide this equally into 2. These 2, we're going to divide into 3 each. Doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, so now we're gonna wet our hands. Mallory, you're gonna help me do this? See, this is what the kids like doing because it's like Play-Doh. We are going to roll it like on the counter or in between your hands, and we're gonna make 3 long strands.
Oh wow, how did you do that so quick? That was record-breaking timing over there.
Don't feel stressed.
I know.
On your own time.
Woo! Kristen's already on 2. Oh boy.
You gotta bake with love, not stress.
Right, you're right.
Just
it's gonna
take
feel
it easy.
the stress.
Yeah.
Am I cheating by doing this?
No, you do you. Now we're just gonna make a braid. I'm gonna
You lost me there.
Start again, Kristen.
Start again? Okay. This one goes under.
Yep.
This one goes down.
Okay.
Then lift this one up.
Yep.
This one goes under.
Okay.
And then across the other one.
Why is this harder than braiding hair?
And then we're gonna just tuck that under like that.
Okay.
So now we're just doing it the other way. Just make sure the ends are tucked in.
It's not that easy, guys. Kristen makes it look easy.
So we're just gonna cover these. So now we're gonna wait till they're doubled.
Time to eat the delicious Easter bread.
My hands are clean.
We trust you.
You like it?
Yeah, it's like tastes like Easter.
So good.
Good? It's good if you dunk it.
Say no more. You're right, the anise is like very subtle. And the orange is so good. Kristen's on
Happy
fire.
Easter.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, stamp of approval. We stamp everything.
Stamp approval.
Yeah,
No, we don't.
I think so.
Like half a cup of sugar for 2 loaves, that's not much sugar at all. No.
So you're saying it's healthy. That's all you need to tell me. I'm gonna be eating it every day.